Hi, we're Matt and Colin, and for our senior project, we will create a small-scale, user-friendly ERP database system. Our technical advisor is Dr. Reza Paragabagar. Today we will discuss our problem statement, the disadvantages of ERP systems, our ergonomically driven solution approach, and a comprehensive list of our deliverables for this project. There is a high demand for user-friendly ERP database systems. While there are many powerful ERP systems in existence, there is a need for a small-scale, low-cost approach to production planning. Smaller businesses, such as family-owned shops, can use our product as a low-cost planning system. Additionally, our small business software package will be a valuable teaching tool for universities. Our engine will be applicable in both industrial engineering and business departments.
Many existing ERP systems are cluttered, costly, in the case of a high-end product like SAP, the cost exceeds $1,000 per user, and above all, not user-friendly. This is because the continuously increasing demand for added functionality outweighs the need for an ERP system to be easy to use. In a 2007 PhD dissertation, a study was conducted consisting of 281 ERP software users, most of whom used high-end products like SAP or Oracle. One of the main conclusions drawn from the dissertation was, quote, "The ERP system should be easy to use. A complex system decreases its usefulness, which also makes the users reluctant to use it. The system should be carefully designed to be user-friendly, considering screen design, user interface, page layout, help facilities, and menus." A high-end ERP system looks something like this, and is highly functional, but on top of its costliness, the interface is cluttered and not user-friendly. An existing free alternative to what you just saw might look something like this. It costs nothing to use with decreased functionality as a trade-off. In either case, user-friendliness was not a high priority.
Our solution approach involves strategic software selection as well as integration of many industrial engineering concepts for development and analysis. We chose Microsoft Access to develop our database ERP engine. Our experience with this platform will enable us to code a thorough and efficient system. Access also provides the functionality we need through its interface design and data reporting modules. We will use Microsoft Excel to import BOMs and host financial reports that we export from Access. First and foremost, we will integrate our production planning knowledge in our software in the arrangement of its structure, from inputs to data storage and manipulation to outputs. We of course will be using our database design skills all along the way when developing our interface. Also, ergonomic principles will always be at the forefront of our intentions in every step of development. Most decisions regarding system design will be centered around the end user and their ease of use. Finally, we used accounting methods and economic principles to provide a financial analysis of the orders generated.
The ergonomic aspect is a key component of our project. The main goal of our ERP system is ease of navigation. Objects that have the same or similar functionality will be placed in the same location on all windows, and our forms and reports will be not too cluttered and easy to read. Additionally, the aesthetic elements will play a role in guiding the user smoothly through our system. Our text will be easy to read, and the color scheme of the entire system will be visually appealing and intuitive. We will also provide a user guide, which will contain procedural instructions on how to operate the software. The steps required to perform basic tasks like input and change BOMs, generate financial reports, and create MRP tables can be found here. Apart from this user guide, the system will contain local and global help for when the user runs into problems. The local help will assist the user with whatever is on screen at the time, while the global help will solve many common problems that the user may run into and will not change depending on where the user has navigated to within the system. While using our database, the user will encounter forms that look something like this. The on-screen information will be easy to take in because our display will not be cluttered and the color scheme will be easy on the eyes. Our reports will also be easy to read, as you can see in this PO summary table that our engine generated as a solution to one of Dr. Paragabagar's IME 410 lab assignments.
Now let's look at the specific deliverables our software will provide. The database will take in the 3 standard inputs for an MRP engine: bill of materials, inventory master file, and the master production schedule. Also, cost data will be taken into account. With these givens, MRP tables will immediately be generated. Additionally, financial statements will be attached to MRP orders and available in report form. There will be an advisory system in place to warn the user of past due and abnormally large orders and consequently give multiple options to immediately resolve issues. The user may also perform a sensitivity analysis, changing any input information to view the corresponding output in order schedule and financial reports. In this manner, the user may simulate marketing games, taking in field information and looking at different scenarios. The master production schedule may be altered to simulate demand fluctuations, resulting in different cash flows and rates of return. One key variable that may be changed is the bill of materials itself, allowing for engineering change management. Products may be added or removed at will. Product configuration may be altered based upon engineering changes. All of these deliverables will, of course, be designed with the end user in mind.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our presentation. If you have questions or feedback, feel free to contact us.